guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we're revisiting the Makartt 4-in-1 Glue X gel. So Gel X is fast, but is Glue X fast? Here's the premise. This is what we're doing. I have some dual forms. They're a bit scratched up because I filed in them. Anywho, I am going to make a set of nail extensions with these, and we are going to time it to see how long it actually takes. Now, 3 of the nails are going to be like ombre, so that is going to extend the time frame a little bit, as opposed to where Gel X, you just stick it on and then we're done. So bear that in mind, but that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I've got my phone right there so that we'll be able to see the time. Let's clear that, and let's get everything opened and set up. We've got the clear one, yeah. And then we've got this one, Paradiso Kiss. This one has lost its foil. And then I am going to put on a couple of these little finger gloves as opposed to like a whole glove. That's not weird at all. So here's what we'll do. I have little dual forms here, and so I am going to hit the start, get these set up, and then get them on. My nails have already been prepped, so we don't have to do any of that. We're just getting it in here, and then I will pause when we are curing, because I don't think that should be counted as far as application. Curing is curing. Cool? Cool. All right, let's go. Pause for the lamp. Okay, we're out of the lamp. As you can see, the time hasn't changed. We're going to unpause and resume. Alright, let's get these dual forms off. Oh wow, it took my whole nail with the peel off base coat. Fantastic. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Let's see if we can get any of these other ones off without ruining them. Oh, this one's peeling up my whole thing too. Yeah. Well, if you had not done a peel-off base coat, it probably would not be as awful. I'm gonna have to pause to fix those though. Alright, so I've got them glued back on. We're gonna hit the go and continue on. We've got to cut these down and then file them. Go. Ooh, goodness. Let's start here. I don't know if I can. Shoot, that was difficult. Oh man. There's going to be so much filing. Let's start with edges. Wow, this one's peeled up now. Let me fix it. Alright, it's back on, but I just glued it on, so we're going to skip it for now and carry on. So let's move to the next one. Alright, we've got to pause because this one's come up. All of them have had to be replaced. Okay, bet not nothing else happened. Every one of these have been replaced. It is time to move forward, and also I glued a little bit of glove to my finger, so that's fantastic. We're gonna get to this, so let's go. Those two just needed a little bit of work, but like neither one of them require it. I'm gonna take these off so I can feel. Also, this one has come loose, so I'm gonna have to fix that in a moment. Okay, we do still have to buff though. We have a block, so I want to get these scratches smooth. Let's resume. Gotta pause, my arms hurt. Alright, so they feel smooth. It is time to put on top coat. I feel like I probably need to put it on the underside as well so that it does become completely clear. So, guess that's what we'll do. We've got this Makartt top coat. Let's go. Pause to cure. I'll have to do thumb last. Those are out. Let's resume with the thumb. Alright, pause to cure. Alright, so here's what we have. We've got them all on here. Our timer ended up at about 30 minutes. Is it faster than Gel X? Maybe not. I don't know. Depends on how fast you are at Gel X, but these don't need to be decorated because they already are. These are done and good to go. So that's fantastic. I don't think we're gonna need photos, like you can see this. But let me know if you have tried the Makartt Glue X. They do have a lot of brands making things like this these days, and in fact I have several of them. But I wanted to check this. It's been about a year since I last did a video on these, and I just wanted to circle back. I've been seeing them come up in the trends, and I was like, let me see what I can do with that. And then I remembered how easy they are to work with. I really like that you're able just to mush it in there. However, getting your proportions right is still a thing, so you want to make sure that you are doing that. If you're not recording and you're not racing the clock, it's probably a lot easier. But that's it. Thank you so much for being here, for watching my video, especially if you made it to the end. Definitely do leave me a like and a comment. It helps the algorithm, and I appreciate you and all of you do to help my channel grow. It makes me happy, and hopefully it makes you happy as well. You all know, you know all the things. Check the description for codes and links. Check my socials for things I post over there. Yada, yada, yada. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.